Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another quick tip to know whether how you can customize the link of your LinkedIn profile. So to change or customize the link of your LinkedIn profile, go to your LinkedIn profile, and here you can see it's hard to memorize because of the alphanumeric digits at the end of the profile link. So to change it, go to your public profile URL by clicking on this pencil icon and then click on it and change it with whatever you want. And remember, follow these guidelines while changing it and then click on save. Now go back to your profile and refresh the page. And here you can see that the profile link or URL has been changed. And also you can go to visibility under settings to change it. Anyhow, this is how you can change or customize the link of your LinkedIn profile. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.